Hi everybody, today we've got the Preface from the audio course Vegan Beauty Makeover here for free. It was named the makeover that would suit anybody, that has great tips on how to have beautiful skin and hair and do it in a natural and vegan way. More information at the end of this video and on rawmunchies.org/beauty. Hello beautiful, welcome to your 30-day vegan beauty makeover. In the following month, you're going to learn about yourself and your body. On day 1, you will get started by preparing the plan to have everything ready when you need it. On day 2, you will learn the technique of designing your own eyebrows in a way that fits your facial features while looking healthy. You'll also make a smoothie recipe. On day 3, you will practice a relaxation exercise and get connected to your body, leaving you calm, optimistic, and confident. You will also make a healthy spiralized noodles recipe. On day 4, you will learn how to do skin brushing to increase your circulation and get naturally glowing skin. On day 5, you will learn how to improve your sleep and enjoy the advantages of this rest. You'll also get your first salad recipe. On day 6, you will take good care of your hair and get it to glow naturally. On day 7, you will do a special self-esteem building exercise to connect to the things you love about yourself, feel confident, learn how to be attractive, and how to accept yourself the way you are. You'll also make a delicious smoothie. On day 8, you will learn how to identify toxins in cosmetics, and you will do a toxic-free makeover to your 5 makeup essentials. On day 9, you will learn about the benefits of fruit, enjoy a restful day, and make a loving fruit salad. On day 10, you will learn how to properly clean and file your nails. On day 11, you will learn a technique of stress release and get some of the things that trouble you out of the way. You will also make another wonderful smoothie. On day 12, you will learn the method of oil pulling to get clean and healthy teeth. On day 13, you will learn about the Chinese approach to wrinkles and how the lines reflect the inside of your body. You will also make amazing lettuce wraps. On day 14, you will enjoy a beautiful walk in nature and get exposed to fresh air and antioxidants to replenish your vitality. On day 15, you will do an exercise of rest and rejuvenation to gain focus in your thoughts and clear clutter from your mind. On day 16, you will learn about healthy food combinations, the best way to time the different sugars, and get tips about juicing versus eating fruit whole. On day 17, you will do a dancing exercise that would release your inner spirit and move all your muscles. You will also make another recipe of spiralized noodles. On day 18, you will learn how to declutter your wardrobe and keep the right clothes so that when you open the closet door, you will be confident that you will always look your best. On day 19, you will learn how to choose new clothing items that are a fit with the way you see yourself and the way you want to present yourself to the world. You will also get tips on how to accentuate your body and the accessories you wear. On day 20, you will learn about the 4 ways the body cleanses itself and get introduced to the lymphatic system. You will also make another delicious salad. On day 21, you will learn about the effects of detox, what to expect when your body goes through a cleanse, and how to control detox using the pyramid of foods. On day 22, you will learn how to make your own essential oil blend, how to calculate oil dilution, and you will create your own scent stamp to use as both oil and fragrance. You will also make one last delicious salad. On day 23, you will have a makeup tutorial where you'll learn how to accentuate your facial features and look your best while maintaining a natural look. On day 24, you will learn the benefits of the different herbs that you can use on a daily basis in your own kitchen to strengthen the different systems of your body. On day 25, you will learn the special magic wand exercise, which connects you to your inner desires and dreams and reveals your true self underneath the pressure of daily stress and routine. You will also make a delicious raw vegan soup. On day 26, you will learn about the benefits and the rules of fasting and complete the first of 2 days of a great fast. On day 27, you will learn more about fasting, complete the great fast, and do a special writing exercise to connect to your inner self. On day 28, you will increase your kidney filtration and clean your body of toxins by timing your foods. On day 29, you will have a delicious smoothie and a night out with friends to flaunt your beautiful self and share all that you've learned. On day 30, you will review all you've achieved, make a great rewarding vegan sushi recipe, and celebrate your amazing transformation. Throughout the series, you will also be introduced to expert resources you can use if you want to know more about a certain subject and get tips for further learning. We care about the planet, so anyone buying the digital program on Amazon or iTunes and the Kindle ebook would get the book 30 Daily Affirmations and Quotes as a PDF leaflet for free. Where? On rawmunchies.org/beauty.